6 divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, right? 2 times 1 plus 2 inside the parentheses, 2 times 3, 6. 6 divided by 6 is a beautiful 1. But this is wrong. So do you think that's the right answer? No way. This is wrong. So you made a very crucial mistake, and that's the order of operations. So please pause the video if you want to solve it. For this type of operations, we need to follow a convention, a rule that you can easily remember and memorize it by using the initial letters that is called PEMDAS. What the hell, PEMDAS? Yes. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, PEM, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and obviously S stands for subtraction. And this shows a vector, an arrow of priority. So from top, which is the highest priority, to the bottom, which has the lowest priority. And it means that you should do the parentheses at first. So it has the highest priority. Whenever you see the parentheses, don't do anything else. Do the parentheses. Once you got rid of the parentheses, do exponents. And then go for multiplication and division. And keep in mind, they have the same precedence. So MD or DM, it doesn't matter at all. So do them and solve them and carry them out from left to right. And then addition and subtraction also from left to right. So with this in mind, let's now revisit our original problem that baffled a lot of people on internet. So at first, do we have parentheses? Yes, we do. Let's do the parentheses at first. So 6 divided by 2. And what is inside the parentheses? 1 plus 2, it is 3. Okay, it doesn't matter if you write it as like with the parentheses. Again, that's considered as a multiplication, because then there is nothing inside the parentheses, just a single number, a single digit. It's not important. So you can just remove the parentheses and substitute it with multiplication. Now we have multiplication and division, whichever comes first. So you can't do this. You can't do this. So that was your original mistake. If you say 2 times 3 is 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that's the original wrong answer. So according to PEMDAS, MD or DM does not matter. Go from left to right, whichever you see at first. So 6 divided by 2, we should do this part at first. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3, and then we have 3 times 3, which is 9. And that's the only correct answer. And a lot of people fell for this trap. Did you also fall for this trap? And as your homework, so what would the answer be if we had an exponent here? So 1 plus 2 inside the brackets to the power of 2. So make sure to drop your answers in the comments below, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel Prime Logic if you haven't already. So see you on our next video.